For today's assignment, you should have already done your value coloring on your birds. Remember, value is coloring dark to light. And so what we're going to do now, you can use a pencil, or if you feel comfortable enough, you can use a Sharpie. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an environment for my birds. And it can be very, very simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to draw. See if you can see this. Just some tree bushes. So like they're above the trees. Okay, so this is what it would look like, just a bunch of trees here. And then up here in the sky, I'm going to put some clouds, just random clouds in the sky. And you can do the same. And then I'm going to add a little bit of a sun up here. Just a little sun there. And then this is my environment. And I'm going to go in now and I'm going to add color. All right, so here is my picture completed. Notice I just added a little bit of blue to the clouds to kind of highlight the clouds. I added value coloring to the sun. And then for my trees at the bottom, if you can see that down there, I added a little bit of value coloring in my trees and used two different colored greens just to give it some depth. And if you want to fill in the sky with blue, you can, but you do not have to. So once you have finished this, please take a picture of it and attach it to the assignment and click Turn In.